Sales on various legacy models of the Apple Watch come and go on a regular basis, but when we see the Series 5 pop up on our deal radar, it's more of an event. The last time we told you about a discount on the Series 5, it was on the cellular model, which admittedly appeals to a smaller audience, since that means you have to pony up for a cellular plan for your watch in addition to your phone. But right now, Amazon has something you might want to see. You can get the Apple Watch Series 5 GPS version for $355. That's a savings of $44 off the usual price of $399. Apple is still selling the watch at its regular price, so this represents a pretty great deal. $355 buys you the 40mm space gray aluminum case with a black sports band. The 44mm case is also discounted right now. Select the 44mm version of the Apple Watch on the product page and the price jumps to $385, down from the usual $429.